In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music royalties using the Whop platform. Whether you're an artist or a music rights holder, this can be a fantastic way to monetize your creations and connect with your audience. So let's dive in and explore each step in detail. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and we're going to jump right into Google Chrome. Once you're there, head over to the website whop.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. For those of you who are new to Whop, you'll need to create a creator account. It only takes a few moments, and once you're all set up, you'll be able to access the platform's awesome features. Now, let's navigate our way to the creator dashboard. Simply click on your profile picture, which you'll find in the upper right corner, and then choose Dashboard from the drop-down menu. From there, look for the option to create a product. This is your chance to share your musical work with the world and start earning. Next, you'll need to select the type of product you're going to offer. For our purpose today, choose the option labeled Music Royalties. This feature is specifically designed for selling access to your music rights or royalty shares. It's a direct route to offer a piece of your music's financial potential to fans and investors alike. Now that you've chosen the product type, it's time to upload your music or link your rights. If you have original music files, go ahead and upload them directly to the platform. Alternatively, if you're already earning royalties from music distributors like DistroKid or TuneCore, you can simply link those rights. This flexibility allows you to tailor your offerings based on your specific rights and content. Next, set your pricing model. Consider how you want your buyers to earn from your music. You have the option to set up a subscription model which gives them monthly revenue derived from your royalties. Or you might prefer a one-time purchase model where buyers can own a percentage of a song's royalties outright. Think about what makes the most sense for your music strategy and your fans. Once everything is set up, it's time to spread the word. Promoting your offerings is key to attracting attention, and platforms like TikTok and Instagram are perfect for this. Share clips of your songs as TikToks or Reels. Remember to add your Whop product link in your bio or in the captions, and make use of trending hashtags and sounds to capture more views and engagement. Finally, when fans and investors decide to buy into your music, they'll gain access to your royalties or exclusive music rights through Whop. You'll see your earnings displayed directly on the Whop dashboard. From there, you can easily withdraw your funds using PayPal or a direct bank transfer. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to selling your music royalties on Whop. This is a powerful way to not only earn from your work, but also to engage your community and grow your fan base. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.